Hello there, this is Lee from Hooked on CNC. Searching the internet, I was very lucky to find a photograph of the USS Baltimore to compare my carving to. You will notice as it fades from one photograph to the other, you'll see a comparison between the actual photograph of the USS Baltimore and two photos of the carving that I completed. In this time-lapse photography, you will see my personal CNC machine carving out the USS Baltimore. It is carved in a piece of walnut 3/4 inch thick. The full carving itself, height-wise, is less than a 1/4 of an inch, and it is carved into a bowl outline, so there's nothing protruding the surface of the original wood. I received a customer request to do a carving of the USS Baltimore. The client's father had served in the USS Baltimore during World War II. The ship has since been scrapped for sheet metal, and his son, the client, was able to purchase a piece of wooden hand railing. As a gift to his dad, he wanted to know if it was possible to carve a likeness of the USS Baltimore onto the wooden handrail. By the power of searching Google for an architectural drawing of the USS Baltimore, I was able to find a side view and top view engineering drawing that gave me an accurate perspective on the ship. I used Aspire 8 to draw the USS Baltimore by importing this engineering drawing into the application and then drawing individual objects over the photograph to make them match the image. After about 12 hours of designing time, this is the carving I end up with. The bit I used for the 3D carving was a 6.2 degree tapered bit with a point of a 1/64th radius ball. The engraving of the leathers was a 60 degree 1/4 inch bit. Thank you for watching our video. Please hit the like button and post your questions in the video comments below. We invite you to phone Lee Noring at area code 916-672-1132 to answer your questions about building a custom project for you. Whether it is a custom 3D wood carving to decorate your home or business, or you are looking for a small parts prototyping service. My email address is hookedOnCNC@gmail.com.